Hi, my name is Joe and I'm here today with a Walmart try on haul. I have items from Time and True, Free Assembly, Scoop, and is that it? And Free Assembly, Time and True. That is it. Yep. So this is a lot of basics from Walmart. I was in need of just re-upping on some, very basic pieces. I needed some jeans. I've gained weight thanks to, not being as active last year. Even though I felt like I was active, I was working from home, so clearly not as active. Right now, I'm probably a size 16. Before I was a 14, so I think I've transitioned. I'm a 14, 16 in plus, but right now probably a 16 in straight sizes, and I'm 5'4.5". So let's start with one of my favorite pieces. But these are both in the haul, but we're going to start with the jeans. These are I got a very long order, Time and True women's woven pull-on pant. They cost me $11.99 and they are the color medium denim. And I got these in a size extra large, which is a 16, 18. Hello, Colby. One moment. I took my little visitor back to his dad, so hopefully I have enough time to film. These are wonderful. They are light. They are pull-on. Nice, big waistband. My belly button's here. So this is high-waisted. Does it say that they're high-waisted? Stylish, comfortable. It doesn't say anything about whether or not it is high-waisted. On me they are. They're pull-on. There's no zip, no buttons. The pockets are real. They're really nice, really light, really comfortable, stretchy denim. I like that they're not tight. They're nice and that slightly baggier look. A little mumsy, that mummy look. And I rolled them. I don't know that the intention was to roll them, but they are. I have to keep checking. They are cropped on the model. Now, the model is clearly taller than me because on me, they don't look cropped. On me, they look like I grew a little too tall for them. So I would only wear these cuffed, but I happen to like that cuffed look. Like, that doesn't bother me. And $11.99, is a great deal. It's a great deal for a pair of comfortable denim or jegging, whatever. These are nice. Let me just show you what they look like. Yeah, really comfortable. The top is, let it load. The top is, where are you? Like I said, it was a long order. Not a lot of items, but I ordered these items and some other items for my family, so there's like a long order. Where are you? Here it is, Time and True women's roll cuff pullover. I paid $11.98 in a size extra large. The color is faux heather fruit khaki. All right, Walmart, whatever you say. And it is it's a relaxed fit, made from 45% polyester, 35% rayon, 50% cotton, and 5% spandex. So it's made of a lot. This top is fine. It's very warm, and I'm not looking for warm clothing right now. Like, I literally was buying this as a nice summer top, and this is a full piece. Like, it is, it's got nice texture to it. I don't know if it's going to show, but it is not thin. It shows my bra a little bit. I'm wearing a taupey colored bra, so it is showing a little bit. And it's a little see-through, but it's not a cool top. This is definitely a thicker top, and it's a little too thick for what I'm after. I think the rolled sleeves are cute. I think the fit is nice. It's a little long. Again, I just have to pull it up a little bit. It is slinky. It's just too warm for what I'm after for right now. So the top is not a win, but the pants, those are, these are a win for me, especially right now. I'm having such a hard time finding denim I don't like to pay a lot for denim, especially not when I'm I would like my weight to be back to what it was before quarantine, so I'm trying to do that. Not successfully, but I'm trying. Like, I want to be a 14. That was my 12 was my weight before I had my son. A 14 was after, and now, you know, I'm edging up. So nothing wrong with weighing more, but I would like to go back to be my 14. So I don't want to spend a lot of money on jeans that I'm hoping won't fit me for very long. This is elasticated, so I know this would have fit me before. This is the same size as I was buying from Walmart before I gained weight, so I know that these are good, but I don't want to pay like a lot of money. And usually I go to the thrift store to buy jeans because they're like $6.99 and all the change rooms are closed, and you don't know how people have washed them. Anyway, this is not a thrift tool, but I can't buy my jeans there, so these are a great find. I thought I'd try this top just because it was such a good deal. This is the Free Assembly woman's short sleeve puff sleeve top. $5.50 is what I paid in a size extra large, and the color is, what color are you? Dark cherry. This is a beautiful top. I'm not going to keep it because to me it's a tiny bit, it's not as loose as I would like. It is not a summer top. This is a thick top. It is like a, is that like that flannel, you know, like dressing gown material? That's what it feels like. It is thick. It is thick. It is made from 6% cotton, 40% recycled polyester. It's just too warm. It's really warm. This will be fine in the fall, but for right now, it's just too warm, and it's a tiny bit too fitted for me. Has beautiful puff sleeves. They are, I mean, they fit really well. I think it fits really well if I just was a little bit smaller. It would be perfect, but it's just a tiny bit too clean. But for $5.50, I figured it was worth a chance, and you know, I can still send it back. I love Walmart. Their returns are so good. You can take a chance and not be worried that you're going to be stuck with an item you can't wear. So it was worth a try. I think it's cute. It just misses the mark just a tiny bit. This is the Free Assembly women's short sleeve camp shirt. I paid $13. And the print is textured dots 25 red print. Again, in a size extra large. I figured I'd give this one a try. It's just too short on me. It's ill-fitting. I'm thinking that in Free Assembly I might have to like do an order dedicated to them to try and work out what my size is, because the arms on this they're not tight, but I can feel them. It's just short. It doesn't say it's cropped. It's not cropped on the model. It's definitely feels cropped on me. It's ill-fitting. It just doesn't fit me well. I think it ages me a little bit. I'll come close so you can see the print. And I mean, I thought it was cute. That's why I ordered it. The buttons are not my favorite. I think they're a bit, you know, a bit not quite as stylish as the blouse. But this doesn't really fit me. It's a little ill-fitting. It's a nice lightweight top. It is 100% viscose, so it is a summer weight top. It's just not for me. I'm banned from swing dresses, so I don't know why I ordered this. But I do need a navy dress, and this Walmart one has pockets. My Old Navy ones do not. This is, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Really? Oh, there it is. This is the Time and True women's sleeveless knit dress, $9.96, size extra large. And I literally bought it because I have a cardigan that's brown and blue and nothing to wear with this. It is knee length on me. It's a really nice fit. It is a swing dress. It shows a little bit, but you know, I got a little bit to show. It fits really nicely. It's comfortable. It actually feels nicer than the Old Navy ones I order. Like the pockets, they make a difference. 95% rayon and 5% spandex. It actually does feel nicer. I don't know if it would wash up well, but it feels nicer than the Old Navy ones. I like the length of this. I like the neck, the high neck, the wide straps. I mean, this is great. I'm going to go get the cardigan so we can see together if it's going to work with what I want it to work with. Here's the cardigan. It's from a brand called Midsize, which I've never heard of. And again, it's from ThredUp. It is brown and navy lace. So I was after a navy dress. I'm not sure if this is the dress for this cardigan. I really do like this dress. I almost feel like the cardigan is a bit dressy, but I am wearing the wrong, you know, sorry, I'm hot, the wrong accessories. So maybe if I had like, I don't know, maybe the blues don't quite match. Like it's a dark blue, it's a light blue. I'm not sure. I don't think this goes with this, but I really like this dress. So I really don't know if I'm keeping it or not, because I literally brought it for this cardigan. I do not need more swing dresses. But it fits really nice. Like it feels really good. I don't know. This is the Time and True Tear Dome and Sleeve dress. I paid $13.98, but when I click on this dress, it's on the website for $19.96 in the color neutral stripe, and I brought it in a size extra large. This dress does not have pockets, although it feels like the kind of dress that would. I really like this. It's very casual. It feels very laid back. It has a big tier at the bottom and is 55% linen and 45% rayon. I'm not normally a big linen fan. It makes me itch. I know it's supposed to be cool on your skin, but it makes me itch. But I really like this. I like the dome and sleeve. I think the fit is really nice. If I untie it, you can see that it's got an elasticated waist, but really the definition comes from how tight I am tying this. I don't know why it went up in price. I didn't get it on a sale. Here is the print. You can see it's this nice neutral. I mean, it's just a really nice neutral dress. I think this dress would be perfect for like a picnic. Well, not when you're sitting on the grass, because grass stains. But like, I don't know, a country fair. Something where you want to look nice, but super kind of casual, comfortable, cool. I think this certainly does that. I have not decided whether or not I'm keeping this dress. I think it fits really nicely. I think it could be a little big on top, and so I'm not 100% sure. But apart from it feeling like it might be a bit big on top, the rest of the fit is really, it fits really good everywhere else. It feels like good quality, and it's a really nice dress. I'm nearly finished with this haul, and my mini ring light has just gone out, so I'm hoping that my one big one that's on is giving off enough light. So I also ordered, like I said, some basics. If you've seen me any of my videos before where I've talked about leggings, you know I like the Walmart leggings. So I ordered a black and white pair. I can't remember what I paid, hang on. A black and white pair and a red and black pair in the cropped. Now these are longer cropped. They fit me perfectly like leggings. They have a really nice thick band, which is perfect on me, and they do fit me high-waisted. They're all a size extra large. They say high-rise fitted. I love these, so I got the red and black pair, and then in here I have a white and black pair. Doesn't tell me the price on here. What did I pay? I paid $11.88. $11.88 for two pairs is great. And then I also brought some high-rise, long, non-cropped leggings. Again, I own these already. This is just me re-upping. I got the black pair. They do go all the way down for me. They do fit me really nicely in length. And this is also a 2-pack. And I don't know what this color is. It isn't going to tell me. These are not the right size. These are an extra large, and these are a large. So they... large, extra large, in a bag that says extra large. So I will have to be exchanging these because the large is not going to fit me. Ugh, Walmart. Anyway, I will be exchanging them because I love these, and this was the color I'm after. So well done, Walmart, on that mix up. Next up, I have some that don't fit me. Let me just grab them. I have a pair I tried and a pair I didn't try. These are the, you find them, the Millennium something. The Time and True Woman 17-inch Millennium Skimmers, $13.87. I got two pairs because I thought they were nice. But these don't They fit me, they go on me, but they're not comfortable. Again, a size extra large. They have this nice detail at the bottom, but I really don't like the metal. It feels a bit tacky. I don't know if anyone remembers this, but in the 90s, we had that polyester that's not breathable, that's was just stretch polyester. It was horrible. I hated it. It made you sweat. This is what these are made of. So I put these on and was like, ugh. 74% rayon, 22% nylon, 4% spandex, size extra large. They're just horrible. The material, I mean, I don't know if coming up close will show you, but you remember that like non-breathable, everything was made of it when I was like 16. Horrible. So these, I don't even want to put them on my body again. Sorry if you want to see them. They did go on, not comfortable, horrible material, hate them, to the point where I didn't even open this bag because I hated these so much. Okay, what else is there? 1 minute. I'm going to stop recording. I think I'm nearly done. I've got 2 more items left. One are, I can't show you again, these jeans. This is an extra large. They're high rise, put on skinny, time and true, seamed front skinny jeans, $12.10. And this is the waist. Yes, it's elasticated. This is the waist. Now let me compare that waist, same size, to this waist, okay? Not that I like holding my waist up, but yes, not over my hips. Absolutely no way. Jose, same brand, but these, absolutely no way. Couldn't do it. But the last piece I can show you, so I'm going to go put the last piece on and wrap up this video. I just put on my top from the beginning because it's these culottes. These are the Scoop item. I don't know if you Scoop. These are the Scoop Women's Vegan Faux Leather Culottes. $35, so the most expensive thing I ordered. Size extra large. Now, I'm just saying, I'm not an 18, and all these are supposed to be a 16, 18. So I think if you're an 18, a lot of these wouldn't fit you. This waistband is snug. Now, they do fit me. But like I said, there's no like give, there's no extra room, there's no elastic. So I can't imagine these fitting anyone bigger than a 16. But they're really nice, they're soft. I'm hoping that, I'm trying to like make sure you can actually see them. They are culotte style. I kind of love them, but I can't keep them. And I can't keep them because they're really warm and they're culottes, so they're definitely like a warmer weather pant. I do like the idea of like vegan or pleather shorts because then your legs are breathing. These are just not quite going to work for me because they're long enough that there's like no air here. They are so soft. Like if I wore these, I think I'd be walking around stroking my legs, stroking my butt because it's so soft. So they're really nice. I do, you know, they do fit well. They feel good quality. They feel like they're worth $35. It's just I can't wear these when it's warm and I can't wear them in the winter. Maybe if I went a little bit French and put some, I don't know if this is French. We used to call this French when I was younger, where you wear tights under shorts. Like we thought that was very Parisian. But I mean, I guess I could do that and wear these in the winter, but not gonna happen. So I'm gonna send these back, but I am gonna look out for some shorts. And that's it. That's everything I had for this warmer haul. Like I said, a lot of basics, a lot of wins, a lot of misses, a lot of wins. Did I have a lot of wins? I had a few wins, right? Trying to remember everything I tried on. I'm going to sort those leggings out, so I will return them, but I will be reordering them. And yeah, that's it. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Kind comment below. Subscribe if you're not. If you are, thank you. I'll catch you in another video, and just get ready for my face to get sweatier because this is now like the hot time of the year, or we're moving more into the hot time of the year, and I can't have the AC on because it's loud and I sweat, and so get ready to see this sheeny face and more holes because that's what you're gonna see. Have a great day. Bye.